I have treated canines. I've adjusted dogs and cats, my own cats, my own dogs, and some other dogs. Dogs with long spines, surprisingly enough, or not surprisingly enough, they usually have back problems. Those corgis,
Yeah.
those little wiener dogs, those Dachshunds, whatever they're called, and it happens all the time. In fact, when I was in chiropractic college, we had a yellow lab, and we were out in the woods cutting down trees, and she must have did something to her back, and she was dragging her back end, and I happened to have a little adjustment tool called activator, and when we got home, I used that on the dog, and she was able to then lift and go,
Aw.
and the pain went away.